Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Ecos by Amit Realty, and you can see this is the actual model apartment of 1370 square feet sellable area. So come inside. So this is the living cum dining area, excellently decorated. This is the dining place, and you can see the size of this living cum dining hall. Approximately the size of this living is 25 feet by 12 feet. Now come inside. So with the excellent decoration on the living space, this is the TV unit area, and this side, this is the sit out area. You can decorate like this. This is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. Now come this side. So this is the attached balcony along with this living cum dining hall, and see the view from the balcony. And this project is located just beside Ecotourism Park. That is a prominent landmark of Kolkata right now. So you can see again. So come this side. So this is the lobby space. So now come into the lobby space. We are entering into the lobby space. On my left hand side, this is the kitchen. Beautiful utilization of space. A rectangle kitchen with L pattern countertop along with kitchen trolleys and chimney hub with excellent tile selection, and with separate space for refrigerator. So this is the refrigerator space, and this is the kitchen countertop. So now opposite to that, this is the first bedroom, and you can see this is the video door phone over here. Now come inside. So we are entering into the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom entry, and with this first bedroom you can have a big window space, a French style window, and another space for your TV unit. You can have your TV unit over here. And just to give you a glimpse, this is a king size bed along with a running wardrobe space. This is a running wardrobe. You can decorate like this one, and just come outside again. So again we are entering into the lobby space. So this side you can utilize the space as your washing machine point. Inlet and outlet point with electrical fittings will be given. And on my left hand side again, this is the common washroom space. It's a beautiful common washroom space, hefty space, separate space for bath, wall mount commode area and basin space. And just beside that, in front of you, this is the second bedroom. So now we are entering into the second bedroom with a king size bed and beautiful utilization. A standard size second bedroom along with a big size French window. And this side you can have a look of running wardrobe and a sit out area or study table area, beautifully decorated to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. And the size of this bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 12 feet, almost a square shaped bedroom. And now come outside. So just on my right hand side, this is the master bedroom entry. So on entry you can see this is the attached toilet space. So come inside the attached toilet space. So this is the attached toilet space. Beautifully crafted kitchen with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin area with excellent tile selection. And to mention you that in master bedroom you will be having the wooden flooring So this is the wooden flooring. So come inside. So this is the master bedroom, along with another king size bed and a very big size French window, an excellently decorated space with your separate TV unit space. And here you can also have your running wardrobe space with study table. So thanks a lot for watching. If you are interested about this apartment, then please call us for any further queries. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. And just to mention you that this project is nearing handover. The towers will be ready very soon. So, and we are having very limited number of stocks right now. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates. Hope you like this video. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.